What's up, beautiful people? This is Mike from Mike Gets Well, and I hope you all are having an amazing day. In today's video, we're installing the M2 SSD in the PlayStation 5, and you can see that I have the Western Digital Black SN850. This is in 1 terabyte storage, and it has the 7000 megabits of read speeds and over 5000 megabits per second of the write speeds, and which makes it qualified for the installation on the PlayStation 5. So this hard drive, this SSD, I got it about 8 months ago, and I made a video about it that this drive will be compatible with the PlayStation 5, and here we are after 8 months. We have this drive compatible, but it requires the heatsink. So if I go right now and try to buy one with the heatsink, it's not available, out of stock. So my option was to get this aftermarket micro connectors NVMe low profile heatsink. So this comes with a thermal pad, so which is a good thing. And this what happened right here. I was opening it, just trying to rip it apart, and there were two staples, and my finger got hurt. So just use the scissors and save that hassle. So sorry about that happening. I just wanted to show that in the video that what happened. Well, this is the one. I got it from Amazon. It cost $10 if you're getting it from Amazon, and it was delivered within 2 business days, so that was amazing. But I was trying to find the one which is sold by Western Digital along with the SSD itself, and that was sold out, so I couldn't get that. But if you can get hands on that one, just get it from them, because they will have the optimal heating dissipation with that heatsink, which was designed for the SN850. It will cost you $30 extra. So with that, you will be paying on sale right now $229 and plus taxes. So if you can get that one. But if not, then you have the other options like this one. So you have to peel this sticker from it, and then you have to place it on the heatsink, and then you'll have to put it on the SSD itself. So I'm gonna show you how to assemble it. First, I'm gonna peel and put it on the heatsink itself, and make sure that you have to align this screw space that they have, because you can't just make a hole through this thermal pad. So they have already given you the space, so you have to align that with your SSD. So right now I'm just gonna peel it and place it on the heatsink itself, and then we're gonna open because I want to show you one more thing, so stay tuned. So now it's on the heatsink. I'm gonna put this on the side, and let's open the PlayStation 5 and get into the installation. Alright, so this is on this side, so don't open the other side, because I did open the other side before. So make sure it's on this side, and just lift it up from the back side of the PlayStation cover and slide it out. And that's how easy it is. Trust me, I did it like 10 times before I perfected it, and I edited the video. So it's not that easy, but I mean, I kind of perfected it in the end. You just have to lift it up and slide it out, so it's easier. All right, so we're gonna open this bay where we are supposed to install the M2 SSD, and I'm gonna let this go fast forward so I don't waste your time. Alright, now we have the cover open. I want to show you guys that on the SSD itself, I want to take off this sticker, because it's gonna be coming in between the thermal pad and the heatsink. So I know, like, when you're removing this, you will be voiding your warranty, but there's no such thing. There's no seal on the sticker itself that is like gonna make that warranty to be voided. So you can just peel it off, and then you can keep this sticker somewhere, like maybe in the original box of the SSD. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take this sticker off and just paste it on the clear packaging of the SN850, and just slide it back into the casing itself. So whenever like there's a time I have to go and claim warranty, I can just do so. Alright, now you can see that I do not have anything between my heatsink and the SSD, because I peeled that sticker off the SSD itself. And now you can just use the silicone strings and make them secure enough, and then you have to just slide it in, and you are ready to go. And we're gonna go in the room and plug this PlayStation 5 and see if it was a success or not. Alright guys, you can see that PS5 has booted up and we have two options. First one is don't format and turn off the PS5, and the second one is format M2 SSD. I'm sure you want to do the second one. So let's format this M2 SSD and see what's next for us. So the formatting was real quick and we have the read speeds of 6,547 megabytes per second. I apologize if I said megabits per second in the beginning. It is actually in the megabytes per second. So yeah, this is insanely fast. So we're gonna press OK and go ahead and see in the storage settings menu, what do we have there. I'm gonna try to transfer a game from internal storage to the M2 SSD and gonna see how long it's gonna take for us to transfer the game from internal storage to the external, or M2 SSD. And this one is capable. You can install PS5 games on it directly, so that's amazing. One thing that I'm gonna emphasize here, that this is running on the beta 2.0 software version from the PlayStation, so it's not available out for public yet. So you have to be a beta tester. You can sign up for that and then you can install this and do all of that. So now we go to settings and storage, and we have the M2 SSD storage showing up there, which is the Western Digital SN850, and we have the heatsink that is from the micro connectors, and I have the link in the description if you want to buy that. And this is for the USB storage where all of my PlayStation 4 games gonna be installed. So it already has some PlayStation 4 games, which I'm gonna do it later, but right now I'm gonna make sure that I select the default location for the PlayStation 5 games. So I'm gonna, meantime, I'm gonna install all of my new games to the M2 SSD storage. And for the PS4 games and apps, I'm gonna plug that USB hard drive, and that is the Western Digital black game drive, and all of the PlayStation 4 games gonna go there. But right now I want to do one thing that I wanted to see how fast it's gonna be if I want to move a game from PlayStation 5 internal storage to this M2 SSD. So we're gonna go down and find out which game. I didn't have many PlayStation 5 games installed because of it was taking a lot of space. So I have the Ratchet and Clank here. So it is 33.66 gigabyte. So that's about 33,660 megabytes, right, in total. So we're gonna move this game to the M2 SSD that we just installed, and I'm gonna bring the iPad and run this stopwatch on that, and we're gonna see in the real time how long it's gonna take us for us to transfer this game to the M2 SSD. Alright guys, so I have the iPad here. I'm gonna click on the OK and on the iPad start, so it both started in the real time, and it is actually moving the game 33.66 gigabyte file size in really blazing fast speed. I can see that on the screen, like the way it is moving. It is fast. I moved games before to the external storage, the hard drive storage, and even the connected SSD external storage. It was never this fast. Okay, so I'm gonna see when and I can stop this. All right, it happened at 29 seconds. I was multitasking with my both hands, so it completed within 30 seconds. So it is really fast. And let me know in the comments section which drive actually you guys gonna be using, and what do you think about the Western Digital Black SN850. So far, I'm satisfied with the transfer speeds. I mean, it's been insane the way it transferred the 33 gigabyte file size in just 30 seconds. All right, that's all from this video, guys. I'll see you in another one. Drop a like on this video and consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in another video. Until then, peace out.